everyone, this is John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I'm standing in front of a 2026 Fleetwood Palisade tag axle. This is a 45CS that we had custom painted for a customer who's coming to pick it up today. Now, Fleetwood uses Sikkens paint. They actually have a Sikkens representative on site at their in-house paint booth in case they have issues with the painting process. There's actually a professional there to deal with those that works for Sikkens paint, which is amazing. It just goes to show their quality control is second to none. Now this here was color coded to match our customer's car and a trailer he's gonna have. You can see it's this beautiful metallic kind of gunmetal color. It is an additional cost obviously to get this option, but really, really neat that you have the ability to do something like this with these premium coaches from Fleetwood. Now we've done business with Fleetwood for over 20 years. Due to their power lock wall system and roof system, they have not had a unit delaminate since they started that process in 2005, which is incredible. So if you walk up and check out the way the roof meets the wall and also meets the floor for that matter, there's these aluminum guides that sort of water would literally have to defeat gravity to get into the sidewall and cause delamination on one of these coaches. Now something Fleetwood also hangs its hat on with this Freightliner tag axle chassis, we have the Ultra Steer. So this rear wheel actually pivots and creates a much tighter turning radius. There's only ½ an inch of deflection on these coaches from corner to corner on the chassis, which allows us to use long, interesting shapes for tiles. And since we don't have the flex in the chassis that a lot of other manufacturers do, you won't have popped or broken tiles thanks to the rigidity of that frame. To get this sort of package, you could call a dealer like us or any other Fleetwood dealer, but obviously we want it to be Apache Village RV Center. We'd love to earn your business. And you can request these custom paint colors. Something else Fleetwood does, they use CNC routing machines that make for a perfect window and perfect door frame in every single sidewall. No room for human error there. If you have a CNC machine, it's gonna make that coach ride more quietly. So like if we have the seal right here, and let's say somebody had a long day and didn't cut this line quite straight, it could cause a whistle or some other sound going down the road. When you have a CNC machine do it, it's gonna make that cut perfect every single time. We have Bruce over here giving this a last minute shine for the customers. Come over and pick it up today. This is our sales manager, putting some elbow grease into this bad boy.
Looking good.
Looking great.
Nicely.
Now a couple other things Fleetwood does. They take this Freightliner chassis when it shows up at the Fleetwood plant, and they use I-beams in their chassis build. It makes the chassis 7 times stronger than when it shows up stock from Fleetwood, or sorry, from Freightliner. You know, low center of gravity is something as well that makes these coaches ride so well. Those big heavy I-beams and having this chassis sit low to the ground, you don't get the sway effect of the coach rocking back and forth down the road when all that weight is down low. It's gonna have a much smoother, more controlled ride. And those big heavy I-beams are part of the deal for that. You know, that's just keeping that weight down low and giving you a much, much smoother ride. Something else Fleetwood's pretty famous for here. Let me show you the underside of this slide out. So they do not use Darko on the bottom of their slide outs that can rip and tear or age prematurely. That is a solid sheet of fiberglass all the way down every single slide out. Much, much more durable material than Darko. Back to the paint though. I already mentioned kind of that this is something that was custom painted. The Fleetwood paint facility uses 64,000 gallons of paint every year, 8 million linear feet of masking tape, and 85 acres of masking paper in their custom paint facility. So when a coach like this is being built, on average a coach at Fleetwood takes about 17 days to build. You can assume 10 of those days are gonna be in the quality control process inside the paint booth, being painted by the professionals and being overseen by someone that literally works for the paint manufacturer Sikkens. Each employee in there is hired to work in the paint facility. They're given specific lists of like antiperspirants they can't wear and different things, perfumes, because those can cause bubbles in the paint while it cures. So that's the type of attention to detail we have on a coach like this if you custom order something from Apache Village through Fleetwood. My family would love to earn your business. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to make sure we took an opportunity to highlight this coach with the custom paint job while it was here. And yeah, we'll have a happy camper here on the road soon. Comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you.